Hi, my name is Tessa Olson and I'm an instructor and course advisor here at the Voyager Outward Bound School. I'm going to go through all of the clothing and equipment that Outward Bound is going to provide you for your winter 8-day dog sledding course. We're going to start with your hands. We're going to provide you with a pair of leather choppers and wool mitten liners. These come separate and nest together to keep your hands nice and warm and dry, as well as protected out there on your course. The next thing, we're going to go to your head for an extra layer. We're going to give you a nice fleece balaclava. You can put it right over your head, has a face mask. This is something in addition to your net gaiter and your hat that you're going to bring, so that you have an extra warm layer in case things should get damp out there on the trail. So next, you might be wondering, boots. I need to bring a pair of winter boots. You don't. We're going to provide that for you. We have a really great system for boots. Having done this for many years, we found kind of the best thing that works for our area. So we have a huge pair of, we call them Mickey Mouse boots or bunny boots. They're an Army surplus boot. It's really cool. They're lined on the inside, so if it gets damp, you can just wipe them out. And they're really insulated, great winter boot. And we're going to give you a pair of gaiters that goes with this. This is going to protect you from getting any snow inside that boot and keep you warm and dry. So you can see here, the gaiter slides over the boot and goes up to about your knee to keep any snow or moisture out of that boot. Part of this system you saw with your heavy wool socks and liner socks that you're going to bring. You're going to have a pair of liner socks on your feet. Then we're going to give you this vapor barrier liner. Pretty fancy. You're going to put this on, and then your wool sock's going to go on top of that inside your boot. All right, we're going to move to some of your shell layers and what we're going to provide you for that. You've got a pair of shell pants. This is going to go on top of your long underwear bottom and your fleece pant. They're water wicking, they're lightweight and breathable. Great layer that we've figured out works best for up here. So that's going to be your outer pant, as well as an outer shell jacket. This is called an anorak. Pullover is great for keeping in some of that insulation, and they're really big, so they can fit over all your layers and protect you from the wind and some moisture as well. So one of the bigger, more insulating layers is a big down parka. We recognize that not everybody lives in a place where they might own a big puffy winter coat like this. So we're going to provide you with a big down parka that's going to be able to fit under your shell jacket and be the right size. Other things that Outward Bound is going to provide you include a sleeping bag. You're actually going to get two, as well as a couple of sleeping pads to keep you nice and warm when you're sleeping out there. We will also provide the backpacks for your course so that they're big enough to fit all of this stuff in while you're skiing and dog sledding on your trip.